Imagine this. You're staring at a blank page. An assignment is due tomorrow, and you've barely started. Now imagine finishing that same assignment in 1 hour, with clear writing, proper structure, and zero plagiarism issues. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Today I'm showing you how to use AI to finish assignments 10 times faster, without losing originality and without getting flagged. This is the ultimate student workflow for 2026. Before I show you the tools, you must understand why some students get caught. Teachers don't catch AI because of detectors. Detectors fail all the time. Students get caught because the writing style is too perfect, the structure sounds robotic, and the tone doesn't match your past work. And sometimes they copy the AI output exactly. So the goal is not to generate the entire assignment with one click. The goal is to use AI the smart way, as a helper, not a replacement. Now let's build the perfect workflow. Start your assignment with Perplexity AI. Type your topic, and Perplexity gives you summaries, citations, and trusted sources. It provides research that's actually accurate. For example, if your topic is effects of social media on mental health, Perplexity will create a structured research outline instantly. This replaces hours of Googling, and your research will look professional. Next, paste those notes into Notion AI. Ask Notion to group the points, create headings, and highlight key arguments. It can also remove repetition and build a logical flow. This is where your assignment begins to take shape. Everything becomes organized in minutes. Now comes the writing part. Open Claude 3.5 and tell it, rewrite this in my voice, simple vocabulary, natural tone, slightly imperfect like a real student. Claude will produce extremely human-like results. Not robotic, not perfect, just natural. This is the step that saves you from detection. Your writing remains your writing, just clearer and faster. ChatGPT is perfect for adding examples, evidence, explanations, case studies, and analogies. This makes your assignment deep and meaningful. Again, don't copy full paragraphs. Copy ideas, rewrite them, and keep your tone consistent. Before submitting, use 2 tools every smart student uses in 2026. QuillBot, to paraphrase any sentence that sounds too AI-like, and Grammarly, to fix grammar without making it perfect. A few small imperfections actually help your assignment look more human. Here's the full system. Research with Perplexity, organize with Notion AI, write with Claude 3.5, add examples with ChatGPT, humanize with QuillBot, final edit with Grammarly. This is the exact method thousands of students use to finish assignments 10 times faster. If you want more AI study hacks, AI tools, and smart workflows like this, make sure to subscribe to Bright Mind Show. And trust me, the next videos in this playlist will save you even more time. See you in the next one.